There's plates right at the gate ball, and there's just hooks, and then there's a coupling. You see where the purple thing is?
Oh yeah.
It's a turn coupling.
Oh okay.
And then so that whole arm is detachable.
So you got that. You had to buy the pipes here, but the couplings came with it.
Yeah, all the fittings came with it.
Yeah. And the little metal brackets there.
Yeah.
Smart.
Geez, it felt narrow, compared to our other course. I guess you didn't notice any difference.
No, I was struggling enough to ski.
Of course, I added a bit of fin depth. That's probably why. So, and then the
It's straight.
oh, it's dead straight.
Yeah. Oh, there's the cheering crowd. Chairs ready to go.
That's the bleachers.